Okay, let this side set up, so now we're going to add this piece. I'm going to put this where it goes on here. I'll mark this. So we're going to glue this side, let it set for an hour or two, and then we can add another piece. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Lock this in place where we want it. And again, just put your clamp on here snugly at first till you get it adjusted. Get this clamp down and we'll set it aside and let it set up. Thanks for watching.